Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
Woodpecker holes, can you believe it? These aren't honey holes. Nope, these are woodpecker holes. And I know because I heard them out there. And I fixed these about 5 years ago and had no problems for like 5 years. Now the woodpeckers have come back, started putting holes in the back of the house. And so I did a little research to find out how to deter the woodpeckers. And I found out if you get something shiny flickering out there, that'll help. The predator eye. And if you ever heard about the predator eye, well, I went ahead and made one up. First I made a little sketch on what I wanted, and from that I drew up the predator eye. And here it is. Kind of eerie looking, isn't it? Well, in order to combine my predator eye with the aluminum, I got some of that aluminum tins, you know, that it's actually aluminum cardboard that come with those little pans you can buy to store food in. And I cut out the predator eyes, glued them on here, and then laminated it. So I'm going to cut this out. The plastic lamination is going to help keep the moisture out in the rain. And I'm going to hang these up out there where the woodpecker holes are. And I'll show it to you.
And woodpeckers can do some pretty good damage, as you can see right here. And this has been fixed before. Advanced Pest Solutions was out here to spray for bugs. And now I'm going to go ahead and address the woodpecker problem and fix the damage.
Well, I bought some of that spray foam, and there was a hole there where a woodpecker was going. A couple of three there. You see that foam just sprayed right up out of there. I got quite a bit into that opening. Here I have a hacksaw blade in the pocket. And I cut this.
I'll go ahead and speed things up here while I take this hacksaw blade to the excess foam and get it all trimmed back. Here I'm making a horizontal cut. I'm trying to cut this and match it as close as I can to the original siding. And it's pretty easy to cut this by hand with a hacksaw blade, as you can see here. Once I get this foam trimmed off here, I'm going to take some plastic wood made by DAP, and I'm going to put a layer of plastic wood on here. It's harder than wood, and here you can see I've got it on there, and it's going to probably need another coat up top here. It looks kind of ugly now, but that's just one coat on that foam, so I want to make sure it gets dry good, and I'll apply another coat, sand that off, and paint over it. This right here probably will not need a second coat, just a little sanding and some paint, and it should be good to go. And here you can see I've applied the second coat. It is dried and I've got it sanded and it's ready for paint. It's getting late now and I've got it painted.
The predator eye. Keep my woodpeckers away. You can tell where I patched, but hey, it is what it is, right?
And that predator eye will scare off any woodpeckers.
I got two of them made, but I only really need one because woodpeckers aren't smart enough to figure out that hawks or owls have two eyes, right? If they even see one, they think a hawk's in the area or an owl or something going to eat them. That's all they need. So, remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.